Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So many subscribers comment me to make a full KYC verification video regarding the Datagram airdrop. So in this video, I'll show you how to verify Datagram. But before that, I want to inform you that if you are already in our Telegram channel, then you already know if you are farming for airdrop rewards, then you don't need KYC verification to be eligible for rewards only. But if you purchase their node, then you need to verify. So as Datagram is already listed on multiple exchanges, and their recent price is around 0.018. If you want to verify, then go to your account section. Here you will find the connect wallet option, so click on that. Then you need to select your wallet, so I selected MetaMask here. Click on connect, and now you are ready for KYC verification. Click on start KYC. Then to verify, you need any of these, including passport, national ID or driving license. You also need to prove your address as well, and remember, you must be at least 18 years old. Click on start. Then enter your email and click continue. Then you need to verify your email, so check your inbox for the code, copy the code, paste it here and click on login. Now you can register using any of these documents, so I selected national ID here. Then you need to select your country and click on start. In the next step, I'm using a mobile phone to verify, so click on launch camera. Then take a picture of the front side of your ID card. And then the same, take a picture of the back side of your ID card. After that, click on save and done. Next, you need to connect your wallet here, so choose your wallet and then confirm the request. Then save and done. Next, you need to prove your address by providing your full address. Then you need to upload any of your address proof documents such as a utility bill, bank statement, etc. Then enter the date and done. Next, you need to take a selfie as proof, then click save. After completing all the tasks, click on register. After that, you can close this page. So here, as you can see, it shows verifying. After some time, you will get the message of success when the review is complete. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.